DJ performs. DJ performs.
Kailangan ba namang wakas itong pag-ibig? Bukas ay wala ka na sa aking isip.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hangal girl. Guys, asa man si Anaros? Uy, tuwa na gaunan na. Manglaag may karon ng mga Hangal girls.
Tugasa kami pa dong. Pamangka. Uy, asa ka? Ha? Nakaroon? Hi. Yun sa ni, turn over ang vlog. I don't know how to vlog. Rolling ni siya? Yat.
So manglaag may karon. Kasi crazy mama. Nganong gimumo man putong imo ah?
Ikuan-kuan man tong pampi.
Crazy mom di ay. Crazy mom na siya.
Dali na, kani bas
Si Wiser Bad.
always radyo na.
Kana siya basta manglaag mi mo nay among hulaton. Na 1 minute na lagi.
Isug kaayo.
Aghalong. So guys, padung nami dito.
Where we go?
Padung nami sa
Walay destinasyon.
MSQ ra ba sa amo guys? Di ka kung pangdakpon ani.
Why social distancing tagsa taglugi. Food.
So guys, today's challenge guys is English speaking. So we need to speak English. No Bisaya. Oh my god.
My God. Time's up.
Your wait sa guys. So guys, wait sa.
Uy, imagine nga,
While
while ta mga to dito,
while we go there,
nga dili ta
we need to speak English. I saw this challenge to Kakintuhan, Sir Kakintuhan.
G, how about you, Sir Bad?
No, we need, Hangal girls, we need to speak English paka.
Unsa ka lang W?
Time starts
Uy.
now.
You are very, annoying.
Uy, that's
Upo.
Upo
What's
is
W?
what about ana
I don't
niya?
know what
Uy.
is W.
Upo is like
Upo.
utan. No, we are not. Wait sa. We have a challenge now that we are English
We
paka.
only speak English.
We are going there over there.
Then
In
over
the
there in
Oh, it's very hot in here. My agtang is there is a sun in my agtang. Ay, it's not agtang. Hello. What is you know guys?
Why Sir Bad said forehead? How many head do you have?
Hello, hi fans. Hi fans.
Uy, you are not celebrity. Why are you talking fans over there?
Because they are leaving.
Bye-bye.
Uy,
Open tong one.
Uy, asa man si Pampi? Where is Pampi is going on?
Don't have there don't have internet.
Le, you are na mosquito? No.
Uy,
No guys.
bawal mo
No.
smile, bawal mo ano mo bugal-bugal in English.
No, I don't know about the bugel. No,
Be
we,
serious.
no.
Serious, no bugal-bugal.
Will not,
Will not speak
wow.
bugal-bugal.
We are not going to speak another language anymore. We need to speak English because we are American citizen in the country of
Switzerland. It's
yeah.
very cold in here.
Yes.
The sun is very hot. That's why it's very cold.
Then
Gusto ko ni
uy, malagot.
I know.
Ay,
Ay, sorry.
we hit that girl. We
Uy, madasmagan taga pala.
wait. There is a habal-habal is very it's very fast run away the habal-habal.
Just look at this phone because I send some
Samuka,
videos.
How to speak Samuka. It's very
There is no
hassle.
file received. There is no file received. Why are walking in the street? Then,
Uy, no. You
Uy.
better.
uy,
Saan po na
it's
sila?
very maldito. You know, it's very.
I will duk-dukay his head.
No, you are what kind of those dokas?
Like that, duk-dukay with the use of my kinoms.
No,
You know what's this? Kinoms.
kinomo.
Why are you laughing at me? This
No.
is kinoms.
No, because it is.
This is kinoms. What can you say? Why Sir Bad? What do you call this one?
That is a kinomo.
Kinoms because there are two. Plural.
I don't like to see that kind of face here.
Whose face?
You take your mask Ber, because this is a very difficult situation. Oy, there is a dog over there.
Who's that guy? Wait, what?
Are you
What,
having a face cut?
Are
I
you?
can't understand you. Hi mga guys.
I saw
You talk to them, hoy.
Look at there is
You talk to them.
big guy outside.
That guy has a fish cut. Why you close the house? You don't like us? Hi.
Hoy, when we panday the house, is
And
need
then?
to panday the house is need to
Use duk-dukay.
yawa.
Wait. What is yawa?
It's food to. No, There is no coconut. There is makaon over there.
What?
Where in the bitay?
Linty makaon bitay-bitay there.
Yes.
Shall we go?
Hi
Thank you.
to hi to my
guys.
vlog, hoy.
Paliw ka atong kuan bay. Ubo bay.
No, speak English.
Nalimot ko in-English na ron. Tagalog naman ko limit kusog ayo.
Bye-bye.
Babay talaga.
Bye.
You are.
Love us.
Ah,
Three love us here.
nag-vlog sila, sir. Nag-vlog.
Mga love us.
Awan na pa friend mo dyan. I-accept, dira. No, guys.
Kaya nga mga talala. Don't say hoy.
Where's your mask?
Stick
We are here in a difficult road, guys.
This is a Titanic.
No, 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 no.
Go! Where are you going?
I'm growing there. There.
Going so long to visit my queen. What are you doing?
I don't have any doing.
There is a rule that in Sunday you don't need to move. No movement day. And what are you doing? You are walking there. So guys, we're going to somewhere.
We're going to Consihal's house.
Then
And then to ask food because we're very hungry. And then I don't know if there is food or there is
君の虜になってしまえばき